What you up to, Braden?
Yeah. I'm
Clean this up. We got the landscaping crew. It's Robert doing the big cleanup. And yeah, we're just cleaning up. Saturday morning. Getting things done. Almost done. It's been 3 hours. We've almost cleaned the inside garden beds. My guys are doing a great job, and everything is swept, making it all pretty, getting it clean, and looking good. So I'm very happy. Look at all this dark soil, rich, edged with the rake. Look at the clean lines. So it is 3 hours, and we did the cleanup in 3. Trimmed all the maples, raked all the shrubs, cleaned up the garden beds, weeded everything, and we're gonna move outside now to the next part of the job. I am so happy. It looks great. Well, we're cleaning up the property here. And we moved to the outside building, so here we are doing some scrubbing, weeding, cleaning out the cracks of the sidewalk. I got Robert there, Braden there, and we're gonna try to get it all done today. Check this out, we have Braden. He is being a good person, and he's helping this lady who works at in the Moen coffee shop cut flowers. What a good guy. Good guy, Braden. Good guy, Braden, helping the people. It is 7:45. We've been here almost 12 hours, and we are the kings of the property management today. This is all taken care of. One day we come up, clean up the property,